मातरम जय वंदे मातरम
We are receiving from a beautiful student to our chief guest. First of all, Honorable Assistant Secretary Janab Abdul Jamal Akhtar Sahib will be received by our sweet student Anushka. Anushka, please come on the stage.
অনুষ্কা এদিকে
Good morning everyone. In this moment we are receiving our honorable head teacher of Haji Ayub Memorial Public School, Janab Ghulam Murtaza, will be received by our sweet student Sarika Khatun.
Sumaya Akhtar will be received by our little student Shania Khatun. Shania, please come on stage.
দাও দিয়ে দাও
Honorable guest Janab Humayun Honorable guest former teacher Mukhit Sahib will be received by our sweet student Vipasha Khatun. Member of Haji Ayub Memorial Public School, Mrs. Saida Bibi will be received by our little student Lutfa Khatun. Will be received by our little student Salma Khatun.
Janab Abdullah Jamal Akhtar Sahib, Vice President, Miss Soya Akhtar, Member of Haji Ayub School, my colleagues, honorable guests, my sweet students, and guardians and audience. Thank you all. It is 69th Independence Day of India. The Independence Day in India is celebrated every year on 15th August in honor of the birthday of the nation. On 15th August 1947, India achieved her independence from British rule and became sovereign nation. On the eve of the nation of 15th August 1947, India tricolor flag was hosted by our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru at the airport of Delhi. Thank you to all. In this moment, we are going to host national flag.
Hello, it's on TV. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
যেখানে লিখেছে হিন্দু বৌদ্ধ মুসলিম খ্রিস্টান গাড়ি সামনে গান কে তুমি
Good morning, everyone. Respected Secretary, Assistant Secretary, all of the members of our school, our head sir, my colleagues, and our invited guardians, and all others, and my beloved students. Now I am wishing you, all of you, happy Independence Day. Today is 15th August, as we know. In this day, our country, our motherland, is freedom from the British rule. Just 14 days before, more than 52,000 people, also called enclaves, they also got their freedom. But now this date is very important. Any country, for any country, Independence Day is a special day, it's a glorious day. With this day, we express our love, our patriotism to my nation, to our country. On this day, respected Prime Minister hosted waving flag and giving lots of program on the capital of our country with maximum cultural program like we are performing upcoming next with a tribute of some national hero like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bosu, Mahatma Gandhi, Khudiram Bosu, Sarojini Naidu, and among others. We know with their effortless, selfless activity, we get our freedom. Without their activity, we can't achieve that. So, on this day, we must salute on them. But some other people like us, don't care about that. We must aware it and respect, not only celebrating this Independence Day, but understand what is exactly mean. What does it mean, independence? We should care about that. We should take a role to development our country. Everybody in our country, besides Muslim, Christians, Hindu, Jews, and many other castes, religion. Besides, we are all Indian. That is our first identity, and we are proud of that. That we are incredible India. Yes, I am proud about this. I am not too much longer my speech, and before I conclude, I must tell you, I remember a couple of lines of Bismil Zami Dami, a Urdu poem. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाज़ने का दिल में है। जय हिंद।
Thank you very much. Next program. Johnny. Yes, Papa. This rhyme will be recited our little children. Ehsan Sheikh and Ramjan Sheikh.
শুরু করো।
Very little sweet students, upper nursery class.
One, two, three.